Hi everyone, in this video we are going to look at the difference between precision and recall. So let's say we have a classification problem, and let's say we have only two classes, a positive class and a negative class. Let's say we have n test examples or n data points on which we want to test the performance of our classification model. And let's say we fill in this grid the number of examples which are actually positive and the number of examples which are predicted positive, which are actually negative, and which are predicted negative. So let's say the numbers are x1, x2, x3 and x4. So this means that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to n. So we have n test examples, and out of those n test examples, in our test dataset, x1 plus x3 are actually positive, so they are labeled as positive and we want to predict positive, and x2 plus x4 are actually negative. But since our model is not 100% accurate, some of these positive examples would be predicted negative, so these are the wrong ones, and some of these positive examples would be predicted rightly, which are these examples marked in green. Similarly, some examples are actually negative and predicted negative, so x4 and x1 are the ones which are predicted correctly, and x2 and x3 are the ones which are predicted wrongly, because x2 are the ones which are actually negative but they are predicted to be in positive class. So now let's look at so we can see that accuracy for this case would be x1 plus x4 divided by total number of examples, which is nothing but x1 plus x4 by n. So correctly predicted divided by total examples. But sometimes in classification problems, accuracy is not very good metric to measure the model performance. Why? It is because, let's say we have 100 examples in test set, and 90 of those examples have their true label as positive, and only 10 examples have their true label as negative. Now let's consider a machine learning model which always predicts positive. Despite whatever input you give, it will always predict that it belongs to positive class. So such a machine learning example in this case would achieve an accuracy of 90%, which is a very high accuracy. But the machine learning model in actual is not learning anything. It's always predicting positive class despite of any input, and it is not a very good machine learning model. And hence accuracy in many cases is not a very good metric to determine how good our model is predicting. So for example, let's say this was the number of people who did not had cancer, and this is the number of people who had cancer. So if our model always predicted that whatever the input, it always predicted that the person does not have cancer. So even though we achieve 90% accuracy, but this can be very harmful when we expect machine learning model to identify people from the group of people who might have cancer, and since there are only 10% of those people and our machine learning model is not able to identify any of them, the machine learning model is in fact a very poor model. So to avoid that, we use other metrics of model performance, and two such matrices are precision and recall. So precision means that if we predict something to be positive, let's say positive means you might have cancer or the patient might have cancer, and we are creating a machine learning algorithm to predict whether you have cancer or not. Or negative means you might not have cancer. I should have used corona instead of cancer because these days I am locked inside my house because of the corona thing. So precision means that out of all the examples that you have predicted positive, how precise you are. So basically, here in this case we can see that we have x1 plus x2 examples which we have predicted positive, and if we can see, only x1 of those are correctly predicted positive. So precision is basically how many of those which you have predicted positive, how precise you are in your prediction and how accurate is your prediction if you predict something to be positive. Which means if you predict that someone has a cancer, how likely it is that the person actually has a cancer. So this is known as precision, and this is also written in terms of true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. So it means that how many of the positives that you have predicted, how many of them are true divided by total, that is either true or false. So basically these are the ones which are true positive, that is predictive positive and are actually positive. These are false positive, which means predictive positive but actually they are negative, and these ones are true negative, which means predictive negative and are actually negative, and these ones are false negative, which means if you predict negative but they are actually not negative. So now let's see what's recall. Recall means that how many of the total positives, so x1 plus x3 are the total positives which are like actually positives. So how many of the people who actually had cancer, how many of you could pick? So let's say in our data only 10% had cancer. So how many of these people could your model actually predict that they might have cancer? So let's say 90% don't have cancer. So here recall is x1 upon x1 plus x3, which means how many of the people or the data points which are actually positive, how many of them are can you recall, or how many of them can your model recall and predict them to be positive. So this is also written as true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. So if we use recall, then if our model, let's say, predict a negative class every time, then our accuracy is 90%, because 90% of the examples have negative class and we are 90% times accurate, but our recall would be 0 because we have not identified any of the positives out of the total positives that we meant to identify. I hope precision and recall is quite clear to you. See you in next video.